So we've always liked residential of exactly this point, that in the Nordics you have strong urbanization and you have very archaic zoning. That combination creates an attractive supply demand. The opportunity though moves a little bit around and is different. So originally we really liked residential in Finland, which can be explained that originally all Finnish for rent was fully regulated, and it's moving into being fully liberalized over sort of a 60-year period. And that obviously creates very attractive sort of optimization opportunities. And so that was really what we started doing, I guess, 9 years ago or so. And that opportunity is getting harder to get by. I mean, if you have value add or returns as we are having. And then we moved into Denmark after the crisis as a result, again, of that same, again, underlying supply-demand imbalance, which was then enforced by the fact that you had no capital, neither debt nor equity, for development in Copenhagen following the crisis. Because in Denmark, you had a local crisis, you could say. So you know, Sweden, Finland, Norway, they were impacted by the global crisis, but were not hit very hard because they didn't have a local one. In Denmark, we had a local crisis, and that really stopped all capital for developments, further substantiating the supply-demand imbalance and causing a fall of land prices of 60%, construction price drop, which, and thereby in our view, made it quite an attractive place to start doing developments to service this supply-demand imbalance, which is in particular need because the letting market is regulated. So you essentially have a very defensive letting case where you historically, when you develop with a view of selling before 2006, you had a big downside because you would, if you had to let it, your yield was 2%. But today you can develop with a view of selling, but you could still turn around and let it at 5%. So that gives you a very neat risk reward in our view. So that's the reason why we went into that.